In today's session, we will be starting off with a brand new chapter. And as a part of this session, we will be looking into a chapter which focuses on the analysis of financial statements. So before we get on to discuss what is analysis of financial statements, we will start all the way from basics by trying to understand what is a financial statement. Okay, now let's talk about what is a financial statement. In simple terms, financial statement can be defined as a written record that conveys the activities of a business, and it talks about the performance of a company. So, for example, when you study in a college or when you study in a school, and at the end of your academic cycle or at the end of the academic life, the school will be issuing what is called as a mark statement. Now, what does the mark statement contain? The mark statement talks about your academic performance. So it is a record. And that mark statement or the certificate which is issued by the board from where you have carried out your studies, it is conveying some information. And in that case, that information relates to your academic performance. Similarly, financial statement which is issued by an organization, it conveys the written record of the activities that the business has been carrying out. During the course of the financial year, the business is carrying out a lot of activities of, buying raw material, processing that raw material, selling that raw material. So all these activities are carried out by the organization throughout its course or throughout its life cycle. So on the basis of that, the company is preparing some statement, and that statement talks about the performance of the company. Okay, it talks about the performance of the company. So the financial statement is a written record which talks about the activity of the organization. Now, moving a little bit more, let's talk about, let's give it a concrete definition. The definition given by John N. Mayer is like this. Financial statement provides a summary of accounts of a business enterprise. It is a summary. It gives you an outline of all the activities that the business has carried out. Now, what are the objectives of the financial statement? Why do we prepare financial statement in an organization? It talks about the assets and the liabilities of the organization. It conveys how much of assets does a business have, how much of liabilities a business has. The assets are resources of the organization. Liabilities are obligations of the business. So a balance between the two. This is referred to as the financial statement. Next thing is, it helps you to understand the profit or loss position. It talks about, is the company making profit or is the company running on loss? Then it talks about the effectiveness of a firm's management. Now, when we talk about the activities, we know that the management is spread across four major verticals. It includes controlling, organizing, coordinating, and then staffing. So these are the four major domains of the management. So it tells you how effectively has the management been able to carry out its functions. That is the reason why we go about with the preparation of financial statement. Now we will be talking about financial statement analysis. Financial statement analysis, it is the analysis and the interpretation of the financial statements. So whatever summary that was given to you, we are carrying out some kind of analysis. We are carrying out some kind of calculations. We are carrying out some kind of computation so that we can draw some meaningful information from here. That is what is meant by financial statement analysis. So the analysis, you're carrying out certain calculations and computations, and from that you're drawing certain meaningful conclusions. Now, why are we doing this? We are doing this because we want to understand what are the financial strengths, what are the financial weaknesses of a firm. Why are we carrying out this activity? We are carrying out this activity to understand the financial strengths and the financial weaknesses of the organization. Now, here it talks about establishing strategic relationship between the values which are mentioned in the statement. There are some information which is conveyed in the organization. There are some informations which are tabled in the statement, and from that you're trying to establish the relationship between these values. Then, now let's talk about why do we need financial statements? Why do we need financial statement analysis? Because it involves the application of some tools and techniques. So when we carry out financial statement analysis, one important method or one important aspect that you have to remember is there is some tool which is involved. There is some methodology, there's some process, there is some statistical methodology that you're following when it comes to carrying out financial statement analysis. Here, we are trying to establish the relationship between the figures which are disclosed in the statement. Now, for example, if you pick up the balance sheet has the assets and the liability. Is there a relationship between the asset and the liability? Or if you pick up the income statement, talks about your expenses and your revenues. Is there a relationship between these two? Okay. So these are the kind of aspects which are taken care as a part of your financial statement analysis. Now, why are we carrying out financial statement analysis? We are carrying out financial statement analysis because we want deeper insights. We have some assumptions, we have some conclusions, we have certain notions regarding the organization, but it is not concrete. We want to understand the company better. We will be talking about some companies. We will be talking about how well are they doing. We will be talking about, are they running on profit? Are they running on loss? We want to understand, or we want to evaluate and see what is being conveyed over here. Is that the fact? Now, we are trying to communicate this information in a meaningful way to the stakeholders. There may be different stakeholders who are involved. You may have staff, you may have management, you may have external auditors, you may have creditors. So these are the categories of people who are involved over here. We are trying to convey the information in a meaningful way to these stakeholders. So that is what is meant by financial statement analysis. Now let's put together some definitions and see what some of the great people had to tell about financial statement analysis. Now the definition given by John N. Mayer goes like this: financial statement analysis is largely a study of relationship among the financial factors in a business as disclosed by single set of statement and study of trend of these factors as shown in the series of statements. So here again, your financial statement will be conveying different types of information. So we are trying to understand, is there a relationship between these information? That is why we will be carrying out financial statement analysis. Then another definition that is given to us by Metcalf and Dittard goes like this: financial statement analysis is the process of evaluating the relationship between the component parts of a financial statement to obtain better understanding of a firm's position and performance. We are carrying out this analysis so as to understand, so to get some better insights about the organization. That's the reason why we are going about carrying out these analysis. So we want to understand, is the company, superficially the company may be doing well, but we want to get a deeper understanding. We want to get a deeper insight. That's the reason why we will be carrying out financial statement analysis. Moving forward, let's talk about the objectives of financial statement. Why does an organization really need to go about carrying out financial statement analysis? The objectives of financial statement analysis are as follows. First is, we want to evaluate the earning capacity of a business. What is the potential of the business? So sometimes what happens is, when we have to select certain students for certain activities or certain functions or certain tasks, we would be looking at and trying to see how is their academic performance. Why are we doing that? We are trying to do that is because we want to understand and see, is that student really capable enough to handle that? So we look at the students' past marks, we look at the students' internal marks, we will look at the students' attendance. So why are we trying to do? We are trying to understand the performance capacity of that student. Similarly, in an organization, we will be carrying out financial statement analysis to understand the earning capacity. Is the company likely to give us profit, or is the company likely to make losses? So to these kind of evaluation, we will be doing financial statement analysis. Second thing is, we will want to understand the operating performance. So when, is the company really working in an efficiency? Or is there a lot of misuse of resources which is happening? So to understand these kind of aspects, we will be carrying out the financial statement analysis. Next objective is, we want to understand the efficiency. if when you're carrying out an activity, is that activity really fetching the desired result, or is it bringing about something else? So to evaluate the efficiency of the organization, we will be carrying out financial statement analysis. We want to understand the performance. Whenever you look at the company will always be tapping into certain resources. They will be tapping into certain assets. The company will be tapping into certain materials, certain resources, and they will be carrying out, and they will be working out, or they will be carrying out certain activities, and then they will be yielding the desired result. But is this happening in an efficient way? To do that kind of an understanding, to do that kind of an evaluation, we would need some benchmarking. So financial statement analysis will help us to do that. Now, we want to judge and see, is the management really performing as what they have promised? Is the CEO doing his work? Is the CFO carrying out the tasks which are entrusted to him? Is the CMO fulfilling his objectives? So to do that kind of an evaluation, we can understand that to some extent by carrying out the analysis of the financial statements. Then another reason why we will carry out financial statement analysis is because we want to compare the performance of the company for different time periods. Okay, we want to say, okay, the company had worked last year, the company is working this year. Is there a difference in their activity? Or are they at the same level? Sometimes when some students come for their parent-teacher meeting, during interactions, we tell them, last year, you have not done so well. This year, you will have to do extremely well. Why are we doing this? We are raising the stakes so that the student can perform better. Likewise, even in organizations, we are trying to do an evaluation to see, is the company performing really well? Then another reason why we want to carry out financial statement analysis is because we want to understand the liquidity and the solvency position. Okay, so how much of cash is available? How much of money is available? If there are some opportunities for the business which comes through right now, is the company in a position to tap into it? Will the company be able to utilize and then make the best out of it? So these kind of evaluations are done with the help of financial statement analysis. So financial statement analysis is very crucial for the organization. Okay, now moving on, what are the prospects of the business is concerned? Okay, so we want to understand what is the future. Okay, how likely is the company likely to perform in the future? Will they make profit? Will they make loss? Will the company be able to perform better? These kind of evaluations can be done by looking into the financial statement analysis. So in a gist, I have given you an overview about the objectives of financial statement analysis.